12 basic striking techniques.
Fighting stance first.
Striking number 1, left side of the head attack. Striking number 2, right side of the head attack. Striking number 3, left side of the body attack. Striking number 4, right side of the body attack. Striking number 5, thrust to solar plexus attack. Striking number 6, left chest stab. Striking number 7, right chest stab. Striking number 8, left lower leg. Striking number 9, right lower leg. Striking number 10, left eye poke. Striking number 11, right eye poke. Striking number 12, crown attack.
Striking techniques 1 to 12. Fighting stance first.
Five blocking techniques.
Fighting stance first.
Blocking technique number 1, inward. Blocking technique number 2, outward. Blocking technique number 3, rising. Blocking technique number 4, downward inward. Blocking technique number 5, downward outward.
Striking and blocking techniques. Fighting stance first.